Are you having trouble in visualizing biological data using our language? Join BioCode's course called Hands-on Biological Data Visualization with ggplot2 and R. Learn how to write scripts, pre-process, explore, visualize and analyze biological datasets for your biological research. In this course, you'll learn pre-processing of biological datasets, basics of ggplot2, linear regression and smooth visualizations, box plots, histograms, frequency plots, volcano plots, heat maps, phylogenetic tree visualization using ggtree, and many more. This is how your screen will look like after starting this course. You can choose any lesson you want to learn. You can also watch the video according to your own pace, and under the video you will find the PowerPoint presentation and the transcriptions of the video. And if you have to ask any question, you can just go to the browse Q&A section, write your question here and click on submit my question. In case you need any help with course selection, email us through support@biocode.org.uk.